All right, cool. So the day has arrived, and I'm starting one of those final fun project I told you guys about. Um, yeah, actually, take a look at this. All right, so battery is disconnected, and what I'm going to be working on today on the inside of the car is to mount the KFC box there. I crave this thing from time to time. Is this thing? So I want to change this. Disclaimer: I've already tried. If you check here, I've tried to access it before. I'm struggling to take off this airbag. Online, everyone is saying the same thing, that taking that thing off is a pain. So there's another day I'm gonna try. But yeah. Anyway, so what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm taking off the steering wheel and I'm replacing it with the M Sport one. Okay, so to remove this guy, at the back of the steering wheel here, there's like a cut on the leather material or whatever this material is called that allows you to insert like a pick tool or screwdriver all the way in until you can press the pin that's inside here. There's also another one on this side, and then you can pull off the steering wheel. That's what I'm starting to do. It's supposed to be straightforward, right? But there's a weird angle that is supposed to go in, and then this. So if you see, look at that, I'm gonna do that. It goes all the way in, like so. But there's a weird thing or what that you're supposed to. Man, I'm struggling with that. Anyways, what's the time now? We'll see how long it's gonna take me. 14:30 on the dot. So yeah, let's start. Okay, I still don't have this bitch off, but I have found the way forward. It's 14:55, so it's been 2.5 minutes. Anyways, let me start here. This is where I am, and this is where I am. So I'm gonna see if I can fix this. I did say like this is not the recommended way to do it, but anyways, I thought I would go with this one first, since this is how it was supposed to be done to begin with. That didn't work, so I went with option number 2. So behind this steering wheel, right, like these clips that I'm trying to get to, they are exactly right. It's not visible, but they're right there. So I was trying, anyways, I took this off, and then I was trying with this thing here, right? I could feel the hook for the airbag, but it could not clip because it's too thick. But anyways, I do have a collection of Allen keys, so I just got those, and as you can see, I have one Allen key right here. This one is currently sitting on the hook, but it's a bit too thick, so it's touching the. Let me see if it's visible. I'll just turn the camera upside down. Maybe we might see something. Yeah, right there. That's the hook for the airbag. It's upside down, but anyways, so I'm just gonna grab it with this and then pull it in. See if that works. I cannot record and think at the same time, so I'll just try it, and if I get one side up, I'll then show you what it looks like, and then I'll do the other side. But from now, this for the thing. Okay, so I think it's off because if you check how much space is open, and I can no longer feel like the hook from the back. I can feel it, but it's all the way in, so I think it's off. I'll just do the other side and see. Like if you check the space here, then you check the space this side, it looks like it's off. I'll just do the other side. I'm putting this here so it doesn't go back in when I'm pulling the other side. So yeah, it's been an hour and I was wrong. Now this side is off. See, zoom out. Now this side is off. The reason I know this side wasn't off is because I took this side off. And yeah, anyways, I'm seeing that there's, like, you can see all the way through, like all the way through there. I'm just gonna put like a screwdriver so this thing doesn't go back. I don't know, something like this. Put it all the way through so it doesn't go back, and then to the other side. This is a nightmare. Hey, victory. Yeah, look at my fingers. Yeah, once you get this side off, the other side is just a matter of unclipping the hook. So yeah guys, this was a nightmare. Let me do this. What time? Yeah, it took me an hour 3 minutes. So, okay, now that we have this guy off, the next step is, so I have 2 things that I've showed you guys. like I said, I'm replacing this with the M Sport steering wheel. But before that, I had actually bought the replacing buttons for this from Facebook. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace this guy, make it like look nice and fresh, sell it off on Facebook again with an airbag. I don't know, maybe for like 3 or 4 grand. I do have a delivery coming to wrap this in, I think it's perforated leather here, and then Alcantara here, the top with a red line here. Anyways, I'll show you guys how that looks like when it finally arrives. But for now, let me go get my tools in the house, remove this, and then I'm gonna show you guys the new wheel. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm back. I was getting my toolbox. So this is the one I have, the one I was gonna use here. I was gonna keep the black one. I think that the weird beige looking one is, well, weird, but yeah, pretty much new buttons like that. Yeah, I was gonna wait until I put this on to show you guys, but this is what we're feeding today. So just look at how better this is gonna look. Is it bigger? Nah, probably the same size. No, but yeah, this is the one that I want to fit. Only problem with this one is there are no pedal shifters, so I am waiting for a delivery from wherever I ordered there, just to like be able to replace the back panel with the one that can support pedal shifters. Yeah, funny enough, I should have waited until it arrived. Whatever. What do you guys think? Should I keep the steering wheel black, or should I keep the beige color looking thing here? I think it looks nice, but other people, I am gonna sell the steering wheel, so I can just leave it as an option if you want the beige one or you want the other one. Cool. Now it's time. It's time for the fun stuff. Oh yeah, the pedal shifters. One pedal shifter. Yes, throw it down there. And the other one. Cool. So yeah, let's change this. So something pretty cool that BMW does to make sure you don't mess up like the orientation, right, is they have this. If you check here, there's like an extra line right here. That line is to align with a small line on the inside, like this extra groove just needs to align there. Then the steering wheel is straight. Simple stuff. Anyways, so let's remove this guy. And just like that, it's out. Aha! Woo! You saved me well, the steering wheel. It's time for the other one. Okay, so we stop here. I'm gonna leave this car like this. So why? It's because I got a notification that my package will be delivered tomorrow to make the steering wheel. Yeah, just to make the steering wheel exactly like this. So I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm just gonna leave this car like this. I won't even connect the battery, and then I'll come back tomorrow. Since tomorrow's Monday, I'll actually come start working on it around the same time. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow.